back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I'm a mother, wife, actress, model, and a makeup addict. Yes, darling, that's where all of my money goes. No, correction, that's where all of my money used to go. Everything I have, if I get robbed today, just goes straight to my son's room. That's where everything is. All of my investment, whoosh, gone. Long time no see, my loves. I have been in New York. Yes, darlings, I went on business and I had a wonderful, wonderful time. I have a sister who still lives out there. I went to go see my nieces. That's Adrian in the background. You're going to hear him throughout. And it was a family affair. Ula was able to pull away from work and come. So we had a fabulous time. Ula, what is wrong with my son?
You're talking too loud for me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, let me taper it down. So anyway, guess what, guys? We don't have Sephora in London. So of course I went to Sephora when I got to Manhattan, and I got a whole bunch of goodies that I want to share with you. I also got a bunch of brushes from Morphe. But let us start with Sephora. Let us start with McGrath. Adrian wants to be a part of the video, but he's not makeup ready. Ola's looking at me. Don't you dare. I got the Mothership palette. This is the package right here. Absolutely flawlessly gorgeous. I'm going to put it in front of my face. There we go. And I got this, for those of you that know me well, because of the red. I'm addicted to red. What can I tell you? It's showing off as orange right here. This is it right here. And this is the palette. Of course, there is going to be a makeup tutorial as soon as possible, as soon as Adrian lets me film. So this is the Mothership palette. Love Pat McGrath. Love the packaging. It's such rich, decadent, high quality luxe. And so I told Ula that I would be very good to him for a week, you know, 7 nights.
A week?
Did I say more? I can only do so much. He's a horny dog. A week. So this was the Mothership palette. Delish. I also bought, for the first time, Benefit the Hula, because they came out with Toasted, a darker shade. I am wearing it already, and I can tell you right now, guys, it is F.D.V approved. It is beautiful, gorgeous, application smooth, glides all around. I will have a tutorial for you guys where I'll use a whole bunch of new products that I've bought, and I'll put this on. You might think, oh, it's still too light. No, it's rich. I like it. Hourglass came out with a foundation. Yes, guys, I have the stick. I love the stick. I travel with the stick a lot. So when they came out with the foundation, you knew I had to go for this. So I got the darkest again. I have the espresso in the stick, so I have the espresso also in the foundation. Tutorial coming up. I am wearing the foundation. I love it so much. Guys, if you love this beat, you know it's Juvia's place. Let me put this product down first. If you love this beat, let me know and I'll recreate it for you guys. It's Juvia's place. Maximum payoff, discount code FUMI. Okay, 4 letters, that's it. Yes, so that's it. I got the Vanish Foundation Hourglass, and this, my darlings, is the, let me just turn it around for you guys. This is the packaging right here. Isn't that gorgeous? So decadent. Oof, oof, oof. Alrighty, moving along. I was surprised. Becca, let me just put it up here. Becca did good. Becca brought out this rich, decadent lip gloss. Love it. Look at my teeth. Love. Yes, darlings. It's a brownish, rusty gloss, and it just works on dark skin. Do you see? I adore it. And it's just that chocolate nude. That's the only way I can describe it. Chocolate nude. So I got this from Becca. I have a couple of their blushes. I saw this and I was like, it's a must-have. So I got that. Pat McGrath, I got her lipstick. I've been wanting to get this. Again, her packaging is beautiful. I'm just going to put it in front of my eyes like so. You guys know it. And I love the lipstick. and there you go. It's just a clear. I am all about hydration. I'm all about moisturization. It's just a clear. Do you see it? Let me just turn it around for you. Voila. It's just a clear lip gloss, but I wanted this. Oh, look, it's got a hint of, oh, sheen. That's what it is. It's sheen. So I will have this in my bag at all times. It's luxe, you know, I love with the lippy and everything. I just wanted this one. Yeah, no shade. Literally, no shade. Talking about shade, we went bold with a lovely bold lip. Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty came out, and this color is called Unlocked. When I'm traveling, I like to have a couple of nudes, a couple of clear glosses, and a couple of bold lips. I always have like a fuchsia pink and a hot red. That just works for the face if you don't want to put on too much. So I loved this color. The second I saw it, I was like, it's everything. Ula, stop being childish and give Adrian the toy. Like now. So I got Unlocked. Let me swatch. Let me swatch. Ooh, it's even nicer than I thought. I love it. Everything. You know, I'm gonna put this on. Boom, 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 boom. Back to Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath came out with a whole bunch of lip glosses. Girlfriend is not playing. Trust her. So I got Fetish. I think it's called Fetish. Adrian is looking at me. Maybe he wants to come and say hi. No, it's called Love Potion. Oh, my two boys. I love Ula and Adrian so very much. Yes, look at you. See, this is a nice nude that you can wear on its own. Or how about this? You can wear it on top of a lipstick and just give it that extra va-va-va-voom or that 3D effect. And when I say that, you can just put that in the center and it just kind of puckers up your lips. Adrian, come and say hi. Let me wipe my hands.
I was wondering what was going on.
Yes, yes. Adrian does not see me with makeup. I don't wear makeup at all when I'm with him because it goes all over the place. Look at you. Hi, honey. Say hi to your cyber aunties. You know what he wants to do? He wants to step up here and he wants to play with all of the makeup. Adrian, hi, honey. Say hi. He's 6 months. I can't believe time has gone by. Yes. Yes, yes. 6 months has gone by. You know, and I'm weaning him now and he's eating very, very well. And he's kind of sort of sleeping through the night. Not completely. But yes, and he's obsessed with his toes. He plays with his toes. It's hot right now, so I give him that freedom to play with his toes. But I put socks on him at night. So Adrian, that's it. Because you've already got makeup on your forehead. Oh, God. All right, Daddy. Here you go. Bye, Adrian. I love you. Oh, I love him. I love him. I love him. Okay. I got a pigment, a blue pigment. Look at how gorgeous this is. And it's like a gel liner by Incredible. Yes, darling. It's called the Lid Slick Eye Pigment. And it is gorgeous. And guess what, guys? I have it in the corners of my eyes. Yes, yes, yes. That pop, you can wear it on the entire lid. You can add another blue on top of it, shadow if you want. But I just want that pop. I'm all about pops. Maybe like a bold lip or a bold eye. It's summer, so I'm going for all of those kind of neons. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, must. I've never bought anything from Incredible, so this is a first. Okay? Okie dokie. While I was there, I got a free gift because April is my birthday month. Yes. So I got this from Sephora. Thank you very much. It's by Drunk Elephant Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. I got that. And then I also got a polypeptide cream. Yes. So let's find out how that works, you know, for my skinny skin. Last but not least, I got a bunch of gorgeous products by Ole Henriksen, and that's by the Danish skincare god. Yes, darlings. I already have his brightening eye cream. Love it. I don't know whether I've ever posted it here. Should I go and get it? Let me go and get it. I'll be right back. As I was saying, so I have the Ole Henriksen, the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream for the under eye. I am so grateful for this because I have not slept 3 hours straight since Adrian has been born. I tell you this, I have never been so tired and so energetic in the same measure since Adrian has been born. It is such a blessing. So I don't sleep that much, but I don't care. The trade-off is better than anything else. This works for dark circles. I don't have dark circles. Like I said, 90% of the time I don't wear makeup because I'm holding Adrian's all over my face, kissing me and everything. So I have to stay clear. And I like this ingredient because it doesn't react on Adrian. Remember, he's a baby. So I have to make sure that I know what I put on my face because I have to make sure that he doesn't react to it. Beautiful. I went ahead and I got the Good Night Glow Retinol Sleep Cream. It feels like a blanket. The hydration and the moisturization. When I wake up in the morning, I feel like my skin is 16. That's how I feel. I love, love, love this. Then I went on to get the Transforming Walnut Scrub. Once a week, I need to scrub my face. The good thing about my skin is I don't break out. But every once in a while, I just need to unclog everything because I'm still going to the gym, sweating. It's kind of springy summer in London. So I love this. I go for scrubs. I adore scrubs. Then the last but not the least was the Clean Truth Foaming Cleanser. And that's when I have the makeup on. I take all of that off. And I just want to get all the gook out. This is everything. I got a little sample, tried it, I was addicted. Ole Henriksen, for me to you guys, is highly, highly, highly recommended. It's a fantastic brand. It does what it says. I've not reacted. Adrian has not reacted from it either. Okay, so I made a quick stop at Morphe. And I got a whole bunch of brushes. For a makeup artist, skill is important, tools are essential. So I got a couple of brushes like the highlighter brush. I also got like a little itty bitty fan brush so that I could have this right on the arch just to highlight. So I'm gonna do a detailed episode further down. I just wanted to show you I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 brushes from Morphe. They are fantastic. Morphe, Sigma, MAC and Juvia's Place. Those are my 4 go-tos when it comes to brushes. And then I got a nude lip gloss. Everything lip gloss. As a matter of fact, my sister got me this. Thank you so much, Funke. And that is it, guys. That's what I got at Sephora. So you guys don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button, leave all of your comments down below. I am back full swing, and the next episode that I'm going to do will be what I carry in my makeup bag, carry on when I'm going to the airport, flight international or domestic, and what I put in my suitcases. All right, I will see you soon, my loves. Stay well, stay blessed. Adrian, Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my loves. Mwah. Adrian.
It's all over the place.
Honestly.